Hello believers, it's Nifty week ahead. See the support levels. Main support level is 15,000 and 14,700 and 14,300. It's followed by big support is 13,800. Because why this levels 13,800 is Nirmala candle shows go to the really big candle in last year in budgets, and it's broken. This is really bad in Indian markets. And the key events of USA. Monday is a holiday for US and market opening like flat only, and followed by Wednesday and Thursday. USA Federal Reserve Chairman submit the economic data in Senate and Committee Congress. So market are highly volatile in Wednesday and Thursday only, mostly sideways. Good news for markets is crude oil fall, gold fall, bond yields fall, VIX also fall in US, and future are still flat, and US future is little bit positive, and Monday is US markets is holiday. Indian markets running in rallies are mostly in local cues only, and crude oil crash is really good for Indian markets, but it's not good for oil companies like OMGC and Reliance also expecting. But Reliance Geo, some news is coming in the IPOs, so Reliance expecting some moments as big realize, and HDFC near 52-week low. Twins is big track in the last week in Nifty, and expecting some relief rallies in HDFC Twins. And Bajaj Finance is really good, and mostly motor sector is totally weak in last week, and still expecting is mostly important in USA Reserve Bank Chairman submit the economic data in Wednesday and Thursday. Senate with committee. Federal Reserve officials rolled out strong language Friday to describe their approach in inflation, promising a full-fledged effect to restore price stability. Its annual report and policy. Chairman Powell appearance of bypass Congress next week to central bank promised launch a full effort in bring down inflation pressures. Running at their fastest pace in more than 40 years, the committee commitment is restoring price stability, which is necessary for sustaining and strong labor market is unconditional, the Fed said report to Congress. The Fed's strongest statement yet affirming the commitment to continue raising interest rates in otherwise tightening the policy solve the economics issue. And earlier this week, the Fed raised the benchmark interest rate by 3/4 of percentage point and further affect slow demand. Market worry the Fed tightening bring the recessions, and Powell said still things that can be avoided. Rate hike came after move made to raise rates of a point. The weak move was most aggressive in 1994. Along the rate hikes, Fed also is reducing assets from 9 trillion balance sheet, allowing the some proceeds from bonds holds of roll-off. Earlier the day, and Powell himself made a similar saying that it rests the Fed actually focused bringing down inflation. This is the key report to submit the Senate and Congress. This is any bad hawkwash comment in Reserve Bank governor is market or unconditional fall. Pray the God, because my God is FII. This is selling in Friday 1 billion. This is highest historical selling in Indian stock market history. Last couple of months is really very bad in Indian markets. DI holding the Nifty levels, but FIS is aggressive, very aggressive. I hope because some point of time is finishing in the markets hours. FII buying in future and options, so little bit hope as balance. But is any positive news gains, every rise are selling in aggressively because US interest rate hike is big problem.